My name is Dalton Weger, and I'm the operations manager at Redbox. We're a nationally recognized managed service provider headquartered in the San Francisco Bay Area. We help organizations streamline IT operations, strengthen security, and support their growing technology needs. Our operations team handles a lot, from deployment to the day-to-day management of the tools we use to support our clients. Managing thousands of endpoints across customer environments gives us a first-hand view of just how complex patching can get. As our clients grow their business, staying on top of their operating system and third-party application updates becomes more difficult. Without the right tools and patch management, keeping their network secure can be time-consuming, difficult to scale, and candidly, pretty challenging. When we brought in Action1, the goal was simple: make patching easier and more reliable. Before we had it, a lot of that work was manual. Action1 completely changed the game for us. Today, we can instantly identify vulnerabilities, push updates, and maintain a patch success rate of 100%. But it goes beyond just patching. We also use Action1 to deploy software, run custom scripts, and generate deep dive reports into endpoint health. That reporting piece is huge for us. In the MSP world, it's not just about fixing problems. It's about proving to our clients their environments are secure. It turns patch management from a daily guessing game into a measurable success story. For an operations team, you can't put a price tag on that kind of certainty. Action1 really is patching that just works.